Hi everyone, welcome to our LiTime video channel. Ever wished your battery could talk to your electrical system and tell you what's going on? Well, now it can. Today we're introducing the 12V 100Ah Smart ComFlex Battery with T5.0 technology, which speaks and links all. LiTime tech has evolved from T1.0 all the way to T5.0, turning the silent battery into the speaking powerhouse. So what makes the T5.0 tech so special? In fact, it solves many problems that customers are concerned about and eager to be improved, such as the inability to communicate with external devices and devices of other brands. So, what are the benefits of being able to communicate? Simple. Once they're able to communicate, the battery can automatically send data to other parts of the system, like the solar inverter charger. The battery automatically reports data to the system and then lets the external communication device, like hybrid inverters, intelligently adjust the optimal charging current to recharge the battery according to the battery's SOC and temperature. The battery will always be charged in the optimal state, which will extend the battery life and cycle times. But that's not all. Those devices can also manage how the battery charges, discharges, and even shuts the whole system down.
Join the LiTime community on social media. More powerful content is coming your way.